G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just wanted to share this quick repair solution with you guys today. It's a 2013 Hyundai i30 with a push button start, and it got towed into us for not allowing it to crank with the warning on the dash of check steering wheel lock system. So what we ended up finding is it appears to be a relatively common fault, and this is the unit itself, the electronic steering column lock module. And what happened in this case is the DC motor internally was open circuit, and the computer obviously registered, the smart key unit obviously registered that this wasn't working properly, and it thought there was a safety issue, so it wouldn't allow it to start. This just bolts up to the side of the column, as you can see right here. And obviously this is the warning light that you get on the dash. So obviously this is quite a common problem from our research found, and there's not a lot of research out there. Even the genuine Hyundai information wasn't that great, to be honest with you. And when you actually fit one of these, what you have to do is you have to relearn this control module to the smart key unit itself, and then you actually have to reteach the 2 keys or however many keys you have to the module, and then that module will obviously teach this ESCL as well. So a bit of a long-winded process, but our scan tool is able to do the whole thing, including teaching the keys. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. And if you get one of these Hyundais or Kias in with that steering lock warning on the dash, then take a look at this module on the side of the steering column. So thanks for watching, guys. This will go up as a repair solution, and jump on and check out all the other repair solutions online as well. www.tat.net.au